Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to PookieBear's Corner. Today we are going to be making a honey spiced cake. This is a recipe that I got from my auntie. I don't remember it, but we're going to try it out and see if it's any good. You need butter, honey, eggs, flour, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and hot water for this recipe. She said it's a very simple recipe. It comes together quite nicely, quite easily. So we are going to start off with half a cup of softened butter. Just like that. To that, we are going to add 1 cup of honey. The only sweetener we have in this recipe is the honey. I hope y'all are having a beautiful morning. It is about 42 degrees here in Michigan. Supposed to rain today, but I haven't seen any rain as of yet. So I guess we will just have to wait and see if it actually rains. Let's see if we can do this. Nope. Alright. I gotta get my knife. Give me 2 seconds. There we go. I just had to have something to pierce the top because these tops do not come off easily. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. I'm just trying to make stuff for my family that they will like. And sharing the journey with y'all. Alright, we're gonna set this upside down and see if we can get the last remaining bit out of it. And while we're waiting on that, we're gonna get our beaters ready so we can give this butter a nice mix. Alright. There's our butter whipped up, nice and fluffy. We're going to scrape these beaters down a little bit, get all that butter off of them. I mean, it doesn't really matter because you're going to be using the beaters again here shortly anyway. There's our butter, all nice and whipped up. Nice and pretty. Alright, let's see if we can get the rest of this honey out. I did spray my measuring cup out with cooking spray, just so that the honey does not stick. Alright, there is our 1 cup of honey. We're just going to mix that in with our butter. And to that, we are going to add 2 eggs. Minus the shells, of course. Got a little shell in there. And there we go. 2 eggs. Now all we're going to do is take our beaters, our mixer, and we're going to mix this up. Go. That was easy. And we are going to take 2.5 cups of flour. There's 1. There's 2. There's a half. Okay. To that, we are going to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. We're going to add just a dash of salt. Because I do use salted butter in all of my recipes, so I don't add as much salt in my recipes that it calls for. I just add just a little bit. That way it still has the salt in it. Alright, now we're going to take 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Like that. 1 teaspoon of ginger. That's not ginger. Neither is that. Give me 1 second. I gotta find my ginger. Alright. 1 teaspoon of ginger. Half a teaspoon of ground cloves. Just like that. And we need 1 cup of hotter than tepid water. you're going to do is mix it together. And there we go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We're just going to take our rubber scraper here, make sure we got everything well combined in. It smells amazing. Wish on these videos y'all had smell-o-vision, because then you could smell what I smell when I'm baking. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to get a 9x13 baking tray or baking dish. We're going to spray the bottom of it and the sides. Like that. We are going to pour this into our pan. You want your oven preheated to 350 degrees for this recipe. Alright, we're just going to move it around, smooth it out. Get it as even as I possibly can. Get all that yumminess off of your rubber scraper. There we go. And this is going to go into a 350 degree preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. And we will show you what it looks like when we take it out. We'll see you in a little bit. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. All right, everybody. This has been in my oven for 33 minutes. Look how golden it looks on the top. We are going to set this aside and let it cool for, probably an hour or so. And then we will show you what it looks like when we get ready to decorate it and it's all done. See you in a little bit. Ta-ta for now. Alrighty, y'all. This cake has cooled completely. It smells so good. So, we're going to take a little bit of powdered sugar. I'd say about a half a cup. Tablespoon or teaspoon or so of vanilla. And a splash of milk. We're just going to mix this up. do this. We're going to add a little bit more powdered sugar. I'm just going to mix this up really, really good. Then all you're going to do is take your spoon and kind of just drizzle it over the top. Just like that. Doesn't have to be pretty. Just has to be edible. Alright. Now, we're going to get us a plate. And a knife. And we're going to cut into this so y'all can see what it looks like. It's a very moist cake. And that is what she looks like on the inside. Very soft, very moist. Just as I remembered it from a kid. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.
Hey friends, let's spread some kindness. First, give me a thumbs up. Next, ring the bell for updates. And subscribe for more fun.